Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry, India's #1 online study platform. My name is Kamaldeep and I have done BTech in Electronics and Communication and I have 4+ year teaching experience. In this video, we're going to discuss a trending question: is SBI CBO replacement of SBI PO? You know, in yesterday SBI has released its official notification regarding this circle based officer, and in that notification he has given some recruitment of officers from other banks actually. So there was a lots of confusion among the mind of students regarding this, that is this was a replacement of SBI PO, because SBI has not released PO notification till now in this year. Okay, so in this video we're gonna find the answer of this question. Now see, there is a difference between SBI CBO and SBI PO. Okay, and what are those difference? So I have written here three main difference between SBI PO and SBI CBO. And what are those? First of all, in the recruitment, they have clearly mentioned you will be eligible. You will be eligible for SBI CBO only if you have 2 years experience. If you have 2 years experience as an officer, in scheduled commercial bank, or in commercial bank, or in IBPS, RRB, in regional rural banks. So you should have 2 years experience as an officer, not as a clerk. You should have 2 year experience as an officer in some scheduled bank or in any RRB. But if you talk about the SBI PO notification, okay, in 2019 you have seen, in 2018 you have seen, you need no experience. You need no experience to apply this job. To apply for SBI PO, you need no experience. So this one is the first difference between SBI PO and SBI CBO, that there is a experience of 2 years in SBI CBO notification, but in SBI PO you need no experience. So clearly you can see this is slightly different than SBI PO. The CBO is slightly different than SBI PO. So this was the first difference. Now second, level of recruitment. If you talk about SBI PO, SBI PO is all India level examination. Okay, all India level examination. And if you talk about this SBI CBO, this is only circle based notification or circle based examination. You can say this is circle based examination. Okay, so in PO you can apply from any state, because this is a all India level notification. But in SBI CBO you cannot do that. You have only 7 circles. I think you have already watch the video regarding the SBI CBO notification. In that video we had discussed about these circles. So in SBI CBO there are only 7 circles in which you can apply, and you can apply for only one circle at a time. You cannot apply simultaneously for 2 circles. So you have to apply only for one circle, and you cannot take transfer. You cannot take transfer from one circle to another circle till your level 4 service, or your 12 years services. It means for 12 years or till you will reach this level 4, you cannot take transfer from one circle to other circle. It means if you apply for Maharashtra, then you have to stay for 12 years in that Maharashtra circle. But in SBI PO there is no such restrictions, because this one is an all India level examination. And in all India level examination you can apply from anywhere in India, and your posting can be anywhere in India. So I hope this one is also clear too. And this was the second difference between SBI PO and SBI CBO. So I hope these two differences are very clear to you. Now move to the third and last difference. This one is the pay scale. And there is a difference between pay scale of SBI PO and SBI CBO. In SBI PO, your starting pay is 27620 with 4 advance increments. With 4 advance increments, this is the starting pay of SBI PO presently. This one is actually basic pay. Okay, all other things will add it to this one, and this becomes slightly more than 40 to 50,000. Okay, but this one is the basic pay for an SBI PO with 4 advance increment. And what is increment for 1 year? That is 980 rupees. So initially you have actually 2700. This is the initial basic pay plus these 4 980 into 4, these 4 advance increment, and this pay will go to this 27620. So this one is the starting pay of an SBI PO. But for this SBI CBO notification, they have clearly mentioned that your pay will be 23700 plus 2 increments. How these increments gets calculated? Because in this recruitment they have asked you to have 2 year experience, 2 year experience as an officer in any scheduled bank. So if you are working as PO in any scheduled commercial bank, then you will be able you will be eligible for these 2 increments for 2 years. It means from third year onwards you will get this 25660 in that commercial, in that scheduled bank. Okay, in that scheduled bank or in that RRB. So in SBI CBO they didn't change their pay scale, they just shifted you from this scheduled bank to SBI. So clearly you can see this pay is less than this SBI PO. So this is another difference between SBI PO and SBI SBO, SBI CBO actually. Okay, so I hope this difference is clear to you. So first difference was experience. In SBI PO you don't need any experience. In SBI CBO you need 2 years experience. Second, the level of recruitment. This SBI PO was all India level of examination, but this SBI CBO notification is for circle based examination. Actually you can apply for one circle only at a time. Third basic difference is pay scale. Your SBI PO's pay scale is more than this SBI CBO pay scale. Okay, so SBI CBO pay scale is less than this SBI PO. So these three were the major differences. So from this notification you can't say that this CBO is replacement for SBI PO. Okay, and also you cannot say that SBI PO notification will not come or come this year. Actually this is entirely depend upon SBI how he will manage the things in coming future. Okay, so we cannot say right now anything about this. So please don't take extreme stands and don't lose your hopes and don't panic. I am saying this because, as you know, if you think deeply, see there is something I want to tell you. In this CBO you have 3800 plus vacancies. Okay, and these are officers which SBI will recruit from other banks. It means these other banks will have vacancies. Okay, because these 3800 plus officer shifted from those banks to this SBI. Okay, so it means these 3800 vacancies has been created here in other banks. And you know, for other banks IBPS will release the notification, because someone has to take the place of those officer who shifted from these banks to SBI. Okay, so don't lose hope. It so there will be these 3800 vacancies in these banks actually. Okay, so these vacancies can be covered in IBPS PO. So just focus on this IBPS PO and start preparing from today. Okay, so don't lose hopes and keep learning and keep growing. If you like this video, please share this as much as possible. And you know, we are giving you a daily RRB rank booster quiz on our Entry app. So you can attempt this quiz daily at 10 a.m. In this quiz, you got 15 questions for 15 minutes, and link of this quiz is given in the description box. Okay, so if you like the video, please like it, comment on it, and share it as much as possible. Thank you very much.